Hi, my name is Ian, and this is a short demo that I created to show you what is called Folder Insight, and that's a Node.js command line tool I wrote in JavaScript. It scans a directory and prints a clean summary, including total files, total size, a breakdown by file extension, the largest files, and an optional tree view to go with it. So some of the goals that I had for this project were to, of course, practice core JavaScript and meet the requirements of the assignment, of course. But this basically displays an output on the screen, uses ES6 array methods like map, filter, reduce, and sort, and a few more bells and whistles like that. So that's something to keep in mind while watching this demo here. So as you can see here, I have a new terminal opened and I'm sitting in my directory here. So we'll just go ahead and run the first command, and this will be in the README. So go ahead and put that on there. There we go, and start that. Alright, so you can see I started by scanning the current folder, and at the top here you'll see the path and the timestamp for it. Now as you can see, the summary shows total files and total size right over here, and by extension aggregates bytes per file type using array methods, and largest file lists the top n by size. So it's what I believe to be a pretty useful tool, especially when handling large-scale files and more complex folders and whatnot. So we'll just go ahead and run the next command here, which will also be included in the README file for you. All right, so here we go. Like that. All right, so yeah, as you can see, I have the tree view here that prints a simple directory tree, limited by max depth. I'm also ignoring heavy folders like node modules and .git for speed. So that's something, for efficiency and whatnot. We'll go ahead and move on to the next part of this project. So I have scanner.js. Walk directory depth calls itself to traverse subdirectories. This is a depth first search, of course. So I skip hidden names and anything in the ignore set. If a path is a symlink, I either skip it or resolve it safely and guard against cycles. So that's something that was very beneficial for the project. All file system calls are wrapped in try catch, so a single permission error doesn't crash the scan. So for the sake of time, I'll go ahead and move on to report.js here. So basically aggregation happens in summarized files that I have highlighted here. So I compute the totals with reduce group sizes by extension into an object, then convert that to an array and sort descending. So I reuse sort to produce the largest files list. So the print report function formats everything with chalk for coloring, of course, and these are plain array operations, easy to test and reason. So to run this yourself, you'll need to install Node.js, run npm, install, then use the commands I showed here. The README has all the steps you'll need and the useful links and a short description for you. So the code is organized into three modules. That's index.js for CLI and orchestration, scanner.js for the recursive traversal there, and report.js for aggregation and printing. So it's easy to extend if I decide. That should be everything. Thanks for watching.